boat off the South Florida coast today. It was no accident. I'll show you what happened.
We're going to go underwater to get a first-hand look at something we report on all the time, one of those new artificial reefs.
But they had to sink a tugboat to make this one a reality, Sal. We're going to show it to you.
A huge explosion off the coast of Key Biscayne today, but it was no accident. The old tug was blown up and sent to the bottom near Key Biscayne, where it's going to become the latest in a long line of artificial reefs dotting our oceanscape. Channel 7's Michael Williams gives us something we don't get very often, a close-up look at the tug's watery new home.
50 pounds of dynamite scuttled the Belzona tug, so named for the company that donated it to Dade's artificial reef program. As pleasure boats looked on, it plummeted 78 feet to the sandy bottom a few miles off Key Biscayne. An hour and a half later, I was manning the conning tower as a small group of divers took an inaugural tour of Dade's 29th artificial reef. Marine life will start moving in soon.
Before the day is over, there'll be several large barracuda checking out their new home. They're going to see a reef forming on the steel of the ship. In about 6 months, it'll be covered with algae, and it'll be followed by soft and hard corals. In about 10 years, it'll be a very complex system.
Dade County started this program in 1981, and on older wrecks like the Orion that you see here, you can see the marine life. Artificial reefs cannot duplicate a natural marine habitat, but where it's been destroyed or never existed at all, they provide an alternative. Wrecks, old or new, like the Belzona, are a big draw for divers. Before they're sunk, the Coast Guard thoroughly inspects them, and all doors are removed to make them safe.
The whole thing is just it's good for everyone. It's good for the economy, good for the divers, good for the fish, good for the area so that we can, generate new life.
Naturally, where there are fish, there will be fishermen, and that's one concern for the artificial reef program. It's trying to add more muscle to its regulations to make sure that these artificial reefs are not overfished. Long-term management, it feels, is vital if this man-made resource is to have a lasting future. Michael Williams, Channel 7 News, off Key